I'll be going to pick it up soon. I'm flying out and driving it back, so that'll be fun, hopefully. See you hopefully tomorrow. Well, I am like 2 hours earlier than I needed to be, so, but hopefully in about, what time is it, 5 o'clock, 7 hours, I will be in a, oh, bleep that out.
Please stop on the line at 411.
All right, so we're 50 miles from Flagstaff. Didn't film a lot, although we were picking up the car or anything. I didn't want to be obnoxious and filming and all that stuff. But we got it. It's freezing. Arizona, well, I guess it is November. So me and my buddy Joe just made it to Flagstaff. He's going to sleep in the other room, which is why I'm talking super sexy. Yeah, the car pickup went well. Got there, guy was super nice. I've been texting him for a couple weeks before picking up the car. Gonna get about 4 hours of sleep tonight, then a 5-hour drive, or 12-hour drive to Oklahoma City. My buddy Joe's been, he's made the drive much more enjoyable. He's a real one, so thank you, Joe. I'm gonna send you a link to this video whenever it posts. So, thanks, buddy. How you doing? I had a Mark II TT a long time ago when I was irresponsible and right out of college. I ended up getting laid off from my job and I had to sell it after owning it for less than a year. Super bummed out, but ever since then, the TT has always had a special place in my heart. I saw the Gen 3s come out shortly after I had that one, and I thought they were the coolest looking car I'd ever seen. I know the TT is, you love it or you don't. I'm one of the people that love it. And when I saw this come up for sale for the price that it did, and for the reasons that the price was the way that it was, I had to jump on it. It's the 2019, it's facelifted, and it has the Daza engine. So after they did the facelift, they swapped to the DNWA. But the Daza was still in a few of the facelifted models before they switched over to the DNWA. To me, it didn't really matter much on the engine. I just thought it was kind of cool that I got the engine that everybody wants on the facelifted model. Pretty cool. There's a good reason that it was the price that it was. A lot of the stuff has been fixed. There's a few little things here and there that I need to fix. Basically, this car was a lease from the dealership. When it was originally given to a customer, and that customer was in an accident in the front right, and the guy that I bought it from an auction site, I believe, for a very, very, very low price. And he did all the repairs himself and had all the receipts, had all the maintenance records, all OEM parts went back on the car. I mean, you can't tell at all that it was ever in an accident. I've showed this to people and they're blown away at the condition of the car. The accident did total the car, which I'm really surprised about, but there's no frame damage. It's gone through safety inspections, and since This car's from California. It's gone through all the inspections and it's good to go. There is one thing that I'm gonna be fixing this afternoon, but yeah, I'm beyond excited, blessed that I was able to find my dream car for such a good price. It was a crazy deal, about 20 grand below market average. So super lucky I was able to make that work. And yeah, it's still kind of surreal. Being able to drive your dream car every day. Nardo gray, probably my favorite color for the TT, next to white. I know gray and white are used way too much on cars now, but I think on certain cars, it just looks really, really good. I can't think of a different color that would look better, except British Racing Green with bronze wheels. That looks amazing on almost everything. But so other than that, the steering column is a little loose. There's a collar that slides around a shaft. I know, and there's a little bit of play to it, and so the steering wheel kind of wiggles a little bit, about 5 degrees or so, that it's not supposed to. I ordered a new steering column on eBay from a German parts supplier that had one new for like less than half the price of buying it from Audi, but it's a OEM Audi part, so got fortunate there. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Gonna do all this by the book. I've got the factory manuals, but thank you guys for watching. I can't reiterate enough how fortunate I feel to be able to have this car. I mean, it's a dream car. like I said, it's still kind of surreal. So, and I've had it for a couple weeks. I'm excited. Be kind to someone today, and I'll see you next time. Peace.